Getting faster and faster. Uwi ka na, Carl.
Boy, mga 7 points din ako.
Uwi ka na, Carl. Uwi ka na. The champion. The champion. The unbeatable. The unbeatable Antonio Flavio. Yes, that's the man. Go, bro.
Kasi gusto mo mag-driving, ka na. That's one of the good things here actually. There's a thing about it. No, it's not about the ticket. It's a nice experience. We can miss together. Yeah. I wanna get back to the airport.
So, hiyang-hiya naman po ako sa score ni Carlo. Well, si Anton